That's a bit harsh. It won't be the first time my speeches have been met with stony silence. Could I first of all thank everyone for taking the time out to be here this afternoon, and a very warm welcome to the Senate building, particularly if it's your first time here in our the home of our National Assembly. Welcome. The Welsh Government, of course, is committed to ensure that every citizen of Wales has the opportunity to contribute to the social and economic life of our small country by promoting equality of opportunity for everyone. I was very pleased to hear that funding has been awarded to the LGBT Excellence Centre to deliver 3 events across Wales celebrating equality and diversity as part of a project to launch a resource pack for LGBT asylum seekers. Jane Hunt, the Minister with responsibility for equalities, is working hard to ensure that LGBT equality becomes a reality for us here in Wales. We all want a society where people are valued as individuals, where there's diversity and equality and respect for all. Wales is a small country, as I've said, but it's always prided itself in having a rich mix of cultures and traditions which together make Wales a diverse society and a strong one. Everyone in Wales should feel that they are able to make a contribution, and this contribution is recognised and welcomed by wider society. I would ask you all to take a look at the Welsh Government website if you can, and the draft equality objectives that you'll see there. We very much welcome your views. These objectives will help us to promote equality, tackle discrimination and prejudice, and help build a fair and tolerant society in Wales, and will provide the basis for securing equality in the provision of public services, making sure that services meet the needs of women, men, disabled people, older people, black, Asian and ethnic minority people, gay, lesbian and bisexual people, transgender people and those with different religious beliefs. What makes a group, a community, a special place? What provides roots and understanding and an ability to learn and to grow? I firmly believe that heritage is key to this happening effectively, and the appreciation of that heritage. By collecting and documenting our past and our present, we can develop an understanding of where we've come from. That understanding helps us to define just how far we have come, where we are now, and just how far we have yet to travel. Because, of course, our history makes us what we are. Work undertaken by the LGBT Excellence Centre as part of our Heritage Lottery funding project is researching LGBT history here in Wales. This work is made more difficult because of the legal constraints of the past. Thankfully, that is now the past, and the importance and relevance of what we've, until recently, have been, in many cases, hidden histories, is beginning to be understood. An event like LGBT History Month and all the activities that will take place during February is a celebration above all, and I'm delighted to be here to be a part of it this afternoon. So it gives me great pleasure to announce the launch of LGBT History Month 2012.